Quantum computing is a new type of computing. It uses the principles of quantum mechanics. These principles are different from the ones used in our everyday computers. Quantum computers are powerful. They can solve complex problems. These problems are too difficult for traditional computers. Imagine a computer making millions of calculations at once. That's the power of quantum. It's like having a super-powered brain for the digital age. This technology is in its early stages, but it's advancing rapidly. Quantum computers are not replacing your laptop just yet. Their real impact will be in specific areas. Drug discovery is one example. Material science is another. Finance and cryptography are also included. Think of the early days of the internet. Not everyone saw its potential. Quantum computing is similar. It's a game changer waiting to happen. Early investors could see massive returns. The quantum computing market is still small. It's like a seedling compared to a giant redwood. But don't let that fool you. This market is projected to grow exponentially. By 2025, the market size is expected to reach $2.2 billion. By 2030, it could skyrocket to over $22 billion. That's a tenfold increase in just 5 years. These numbers tell a clear story. Quantum computing is not science fiction. It's a rapidly growing market. This growth will be driven by several factors. Increased investment is one. Technological advancements are another. Growing demand from various sectors is also contributing. Think back to the dot-com boom. Those who recognized the internet's potential early on reaped huge rewards. Quantum computing presents a similar opportunity. Investing in quantum computing is like investing in the future. It's a bet on transformative technology. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries. Healthcare is one sector that will be impacted. Quantum computers can analyze massive data sets. This will lead to faster drug discovery. It will also lead to more personalized medicine. Finance is another area ripe for disruption. Quantum computers can optimize investment portfolios. They can also detect fraud more effectively. The possibilities are endless. Materials science, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity will also benefit. This makes quantum computing stocks a compelling investment opportunity. Section 4. Key players in the quantum race. Several companies are leading the charge in quantum computing. IBM is one of them. They are developing quantum computers and software. Google is another major player. They achieved quantum supremacy. This means their quantum computer outperformed a classical computer. Microsoft is also investing heavily in quantum. They offer cloud-based quantum computing services. Other companies to watch include Honeywell, Intel, and Rigetti. These companies are making significant strides. They are developing hardware, software, and applications. Investing in these companies is not without risk. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but the potential rewards are enormous. Section 5. Looking ahead. Quantum's 5-year forecast. The next 5 years will be critical for the quantum computing industry. We can expect to see significant growth. The market size could increase tenfold by 2030. This presents a tremendous opportunity for investors. Early movers have the potential to reap significant rewards. Look for companies with strong track records. Look for companies making tangible progress. Focus on companies developing practical applications. Don't just chase hype. Do your research. Understand the technology. Identify the companies that are well positioned to succeed. Quantum computing is not just a technological revolution, it's an investment revolution. It's a chance to be part of the next big thing. Are you ready to take the quantum leap?